Hi, guys! Navigating friendships and peer pressure, that's exactly what we're going to talk about right now. As you engage with our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like our videos, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Your participation matters. And, of course, spread the joy by hitting that share button. Let's make someone's day brighter together. Incredible teens of TeenVibe Talk. I'm thrilled to be your friendly counselor today, ready to explore the dynamic realm of friendships and peer pressure. So, imagine you're wandering the bustling halls of high school on a quest to find your squad, and suddenly, wham! Peer pressure smacks you like a tidal wave. It's like being swept into a sea of opinions, trends, and the relentless pursuit of fitting in. But hey, no worries, because today, we're not just riding this wave. We're learning how to navigate it and surf it like pros. Get ready for some laughs, insights, and a backpack full of life hacks. So, my fantastic TeenVibe Tribe, buckle up because we're about to take a ride on the Friendship Express. Imagine you're on this fantastic train, hurtling through the twists and turns of life, and the million-dollar question arises: who's at the wheel? It's not just about being a passenger, it's about choosing the right conductor for this exhilarating journey. In the grand scheme of things, surrounding yourself with the right kind of friends is like picking the perfect co-pilots for your adventure. It's more than them just occupying a seat. It's about having individuals who uplift, inspire, and genuinely have your back. These are the friends who are not just content with being in the same compartment. They're co-pilots navigating the ups and downs of life right alongside you. Think about it. They're the ones who not only remind you to put on your seatbelt when life takes a sudden turn, but also encourage you to roll down the windows and enjoy the scenery. Life's journey can be unpredictable, and having friends who share the same values, dreams, and zest for life makes all the difference. So, when you're choosing your co-pilots for this wild ride, look for those who bring positive energy, support your dreams, and celebrate your victories. Friendship isn't just about the destination, it's about enjoying the ride together. Seek out those who make your journey brighter, more exciting, and full of laughter. Remember, my TeenVibe Tribe, the Friendship Express, is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a community that propels you forward, making the journey of life all the more worthwhile. All right, TeenVibe Tribe, let's shine a spotlight on the infamous peer pressure monster. It's that sneaky creature that slinks into your life, whispering in your ear, urging you to do things just to fit in. But hey, here's the real deal. You're not alone in this battle. In fact, consider me your peer pressure superhero, armed with a glittering cape of strategies to not just resist but triumph over this tricky adversary. Picture this. The peer pressure monster tries to convince you that conformity is the only way to be accepted. It wants you to squeeze into a mold that isn't yours, like trying to fit into a pair of one-size-fits-all shoes. But guess what? Those shoes weren't made for you. You're unique, and your path is tailor-made. Now, let's unpack this superhero cape of strategies. First up, we've got the power of no. It's not just a word, it's a force field protecting your authenticity. Saying no is your superhero stance, a declaration that you won't compromise who you are for the sake of fitting in. Real friends respect your decisions, even if it means taking a different path. Next in our arsenal is the mirror test. Take a good, hard look at yourself in the mirror and ask the tough questions. Is this something I genuinely want to do, or am I just doing it to please others? Your reflection holds the key to your true desires. Trust it, and here comes the lone wolf dance. Embrace your uniqueness, stand tall in your interests and hobbies, be the maestro of your own melody. Remember, the coolest people are the ones who dance to their rhythm, not someone else's playlist. Triumphing over peer pressure goes beyond merely resisting its pull. It's about embracing who you are and reveling in your uniqueness. Imagine your individuality as a dazzling superpower, a force that sets you apart from the crowd. So, my incredible TeenVibe Tribe, I'm handing each of you a metaphorical superhero cape, not to blend in, but to stand out proudly. Let's navigate this journey together, not as conformists, but as a tribe of individuals celebrating our diverse strengths and quirks. Picture this. Your superpower is your individuality, the essence of what makes you, well, you. It's like having a special set of skills that no one else possesses. Instead of shying away from those unique qualities, wear them like a badge of honor. Your interests, your style, your dreams, they're the colors that paint the canvas of your life. So, don that superhero cape proudly, my TeenVibe Tribe, and let's embrace the power of being authentically ourselves. It's not about fitting into someone else's mold, it's about creating our own masterpiece. Think of the world as a stage, and you are the lead character in your story. When you embrace your individuality, you not only become a beacon of inspiration for others, but also pave the way for a more accepting and diverse world. It's a journey where every step you take in your unique shoes contributes to a colorful tapestry of human experiences. As we navigate this adventure together, let's encourage one another to be true to ourselves, to celebrate our victories, and to learn from our missteps. Remember, your individuality isn't a hurdle to overcome. It's the very path that leads to triumph over the pressures to conform. Stay tuned for more discussions, laughs, and strategies to make your journey even more remarkable. Don't forget to subscribe, like our videos, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, wear that superhero cape proudly and let your individuality shine.